More homes sold this week in Annapolis than last week, but sellers are netting 3% less this month. It's Friday, August 21st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory rose 2% to 2,407 properties listed for sale in Annapolis at a median list price of $699,990. These have been listed for sale at 69 median days. Zip code 21401 has 104 properties for sale this week, and the median list price at $972,000, and these have been offered for 63 days. 8 properties went under contract this report at $777,500 median list price and in 10 days. Zip code 21403 has 94 properties listed for sale at 73 days, and the list price of $637,500. 10 properties went under contract this report at $680,000 median list price and in 22 days. Zip code 21409 still has 49 properties listed at $632,400 and active for 63 days. 7 went under contract this report at a median list price of $689,900 and in 26 days. Coming soon properties rose to 31 with a list price of $799,000. 25 properties overall went under contract in 13 days at a median list price of $720,000. 31 properties sold in 25 days at 97.1% with a median sold price of $630,000. While Annapolis is still very much a seller's market, Maryland overall is outpacing other markets, but the economic chaos, high level of inflation, high interest rates, and the bond market concerns may touch our market, so stay tuned. Rental properties are at 49 rentals listed at $3,200 median dollars per month. 6 properties leased over the past week at a median lease rate of $3,888 per month and in 38 days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 21st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.